How to create a business report using Canva. In this video, I'll show you step by step in less than 10 minutes. I have just started my YouTube channel and I'll be really thankful if you can subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you really like this video. Let's get started. It's challenging to create a professional and creative business report yourself with all the graphics, font options, and design elements to make your business report stand out. Canva makes it really easy with all the template options available to choose from. In this video, I'll walk you step by step and show you how you can create a professional and creative business report in less than 10 minutes all by yourself. If you don't have an account on Canva, please visit canva.com and create a free account. After that, log into your account and browse to the home page. Now you can go on the left-hand side and click on Templates and select Business option here and scroll down and click on Reports. Okay, so now you can see all the business report templates available to use. If you're looking for any specific type of business report, you can go up here and search it using the right keywords. Let's continue to scroll and check out some of the business report templates available to use. If you notice, there are several templates that are free to use, and you will see some of them have a crown on it. It means these are specifically for Canva Pro subscribers. If you want to use these templates, you have to be a Canva Pro subscriber. For now, let's pick a template and customize it as per our requirement. Okay, the template is now open on the Canva screen. Everything on this template can be edited. You can edit the fonts, size, color, add new design elements, update new images, or choose any images from the stock options available on Canva and customize this template as per your requirement. If you want to adjust the font, please double-click on the text and go up here and click on Fonts. You'll see hundreds of different font options available for you to use. You can select these fonts to see how they look on the template. Once you finalize the font of your choice, you can adjust the font size and change the font color as per your requirement. To change the font size, go up here and adjust the font size. If you want to change the font color, you can go here and adjust the font color. If you want to add any new design elements, go on the left-hand side and click on Elements and search for anything specific you are looking for. If you want to update images on this template, go on the left-hand side and click on Elements and search for any stock photos, or you can go down here and click on Uploads to upload any image of your choice. If you want to resize anything on this template, for example fonts, design elements, images, or any other graphics, there is a shortcut. Select it and resize it like this. If you want to delete anything on this template, select it and click on this delete icon here. In case if you made any mistakes while editing this template, you can always go up here at the top and click on this undo button here. Once you are done with all the updates on this template, go on the top left hand side and click on File, and then click Save. For your information, Canva also saves all of your work automatically, so you cannot lose any of your work. If you wish to download this business report, go on the top right hand side and click on Share, and scroll down and click on Download, and download the file directly on your computer. See, that was so easy. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials like these, and please comment if you have any questions.